Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a little bit, but now I'm starting a new series on my channel with my friend Sean. Sean, say what's up.
No.
Okay, that's my boy right there. We're gonna be doing a survival hardcore series as a duo. So we're gonna be doing a hardcore world. If we die, the world deletes. Here's the server hardcore series. Don't die. We have not loaded in yet, so we're gonna load in now. Oh, it's night.
What if I just like kill you or not?
No, don't. No, don't.
Oh, you see the
There's zombies. Chill.
There's cows here. Oh my god, this cow's shooting at me.
So if you guys do want to enjoy this hectic start and the rest of this series, make sure to drop a like on the channel so that we know that you guys are enjoying the series. And yeah,
I'm on the couch right now. Hey, good me right now. Like meet up here.
Oh, zombie, skeleton. Skeleton.
Ow! Help me! Help!
Disconnect. Oh well. Hope you guys enjoyed season 1 of this series. Now we're on season 2.
Yes, sir.
Alright, don't die this time.
Okay, I'm joining in right now.
I'm going right now.
Okay, it's not nighttime, so we actually have a chance to like get set up.
Where are we?
I don't know. I already
free
found
food,
pork.
free food.
I already found pork on the ground. I don't know how that's possible. 4 pieces of wool.
I've got 5 pieces of sheep. Let's find somewhere cool to build. We can venture out for a little bit. So basically, guys, for the basis of the series, we're gonna play for a little bit at a time and record and then edit and make videos out of it. But then also, at some of the in-between videos time, I'm gonna be live streaming on my channel if the series happens to do slightly well or at least decent on my channel. I'm gonna do some live streams just so that we don't progress too much off camera. I'm gonna live stream and then upload the live streams to my channel so that I'll just be like raw content. The majority of the things that actually matter, like not just working or building things, would be actually uploaded as videos on my channel. So yeah. Like I said earlier, if you guys do enjoy, make sure to drop a like and drop a comment saying that you want more of this. And if you have suggestions of what to change or something to change on the series, there's an ocean over here. I say we just get in a boat and just go.
Yeah, look for sunken treasure in like a temple.
You sure you want to go down where there's mobs and stuff already without any? Oh, back out, back.
I'm gonna get my iron real quick. I need a shield fast.
Don't die, bro.
Oh, I almost just lagged and died. I'm at 3 hearts right now.
Get
This iron
food.
back out. Imagine I like accidentally fought my death. That would suck.
Yeah, don't do that. You actually gotta be careful.
There's so much iron down here. Let's go. It's kind of lucky that we got this. Let's just get like all our iron tools and like iron armor.
And then we'll head out. We need food too. And then we'll head on a boat.
We look for a village. I feel like we should make
true.
our house near a village.
True.
Then that's like automatic iron right there. If you like.
And we can.
Oh
yeah, we should for sure do that. That's also easy trades. Yeah.
If a mob pulls up on me right now, I'm definitely dead. I'm at 3 hearts.
Just don't take the chance. Come up and eat. So yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy this series because we have quite a couple things planned, like as to how different seasons will go. Like we've got longevity, long-term plans made, and it should go pretty well as long as you guys enjoy it as much as we do making it. And then we're also gonna be posting. Sean posts on TikTok a lot. He's got a replay mod, so he's gonna be posting time lapses and stuff like that. I'll once he gets that up and running, I'll drop the link to that in one of the descriptions of one of the videos. And yeah. All right, there's a plains over here. Should we go look for a village actually?
Yeah, we should.
All right, I'm gonna grab a little bit more food. Is there any in the furnace?
Yeah. Wait for this stuff to be done.
All right, I'm just gonna go this way.
I have almost enough wool for 2 beds if you just want to like sleep through the night.
I went to the plains, then I went to the right. I don't see any villages yet.
I almost have full iron tools. I have everything except for axe and shovel. I see you built like a little shack.
What's up, bro?
Is that our permanent house? Are we like
this is our final base. Let's go. Sweet dreams, baby. All right, do we like drop down to the water or do we?
Okay. Yes. Okay, oh, this is Y22 already.
22?
Yeah.
Dang.
I got full armor except for helmet. Oh, I thought I saw this wood right here, and I was like, dang, there's like a mine shaft probably right here. And I just realized it was you. Less.
You good, bro?
100% on.
Homie.
I'm only at half heart. This dude just delete that.
Hey.
Oh,
no, I
wait,
didn't
is
go
this
that way.
Oh, shoot.
Oh. Dude.
Ah!
Dude, I've heard 3 explosions coming from your direction. Well, I've got something that we need to do at our base.
Oh my God.
Dude, double explosions? Can we not? Dude, what's that, 6? Homie.
I swear, there's been like 20 creepers on you. Yeah, let's stay down. I don't think we're gonna find anything. Let's just go back up.
Hop out.
Whee!
I don't have any blocks, brother.
Oh my god! I kind of forgot that like if I like hit you off, you might die and like it would be over. So I just kind of hit you. Imagine I just fell off.
Don't lag. There's
Oh,
another small-
villager thing over here.
What? Oh.
Villager thing.
What's it? It's a tent. Oh, a pillager thing. Oh.
Pillager, yeah, the pillager tower. Let's go fucking raid thing right now.
You sure?
Yeah, I have a shield. Just make a shield. We're fine. Here, go better now.
Screw
Give
it.
your bed. Put your bed down.
That's true. Alright, they're all over there, so if we just run straight up, we should
Hey,
be
give
good.
your shield, my guy.
No, I don't have a shield. Screw that. Is this ballsy? I feel this is ballsy.
It's definitely ballsy. I should probably
Dark
get
oak, and I got a
more.
crossbow and potatoes. There's nothing. Oh shoot, we can make a pillager farm though. You know how OP that is?
Wait, what do you get? Just XP, right? That's all you get?
No, you get everything. You get emeralds, you get crossbows, you get totems of undying.
Oh, really? They drop those?
Yeah, they drop totems of undying.
So there's literally nothing here except for a chest with nothing in it.
You can make that.
Run, boy, run!
Can we both get the same boat?
Yeah, we can.
Oh, hop in. Save us.
Yeah, hold on. I gotta get the spruce saplings real quick and then dip. Oh, there's a giant coral thing right here. This really, yeah, because that small coral thing is in the entire coral area.
Yeah.
So you already have course in this area, so we can just come back here.
Yeah. Ooh, which place?
Oh, I haven't seen one of these before actually.
Really?
Mark coordinates because I heard you like which farm. Alright, let's go.
Assume we're looking for a lag. How long is this steak gonna last for you?
I found a village. Oh yeah, okay, it goes. I only saw like 2 houses at first. It goes on longer.
I said we find the closest area that looks cool. Oh, there's like a little plateau over here. I like this.
Alright, let's go check it out.
Oh, there's another village.
Really? Where?
Right over here. Just keep going straight.
I like how we look so like long to find a village, and we just find 2 villages right next to each other. That's crazy.
I got hella apples right now.
Full blacksmith, let's go. This better have diamonds in it, bro. I'm gonna get mad. Oh, 11 obsidian, let's go.
For real?
Let's go.
There's like a
And
hotel over here.
iron chest too.
But ow, bro. Damn. Disrespect. Let's set up in between them, maybe.
What?
In between the two?
Yeah, for sure.
There's like a little
we have our
flower plateau.
We can get our iron farm going fast. I already have the obsidian. We can go into another ASAP. Alright, where are you at right now? My inventory's literally so full right now.
I'm at the mountain in between the 2 villages. Well, double crafting tables.
Yes, sir.
I got this furnace. Throw some of my coal in there.
Alright, let's just clear this area out. Alright, I was talking to my dad.
Imagine having your dad. Remember me?
Bunk beds. It actually works. I didn't even know that.
Yeah.
So the nether portal up right now. Might as well. Actually, we need do you have any gravel in your inventory at all?
None. I'm just grabbing cobblestone.
I have a diamond pickaxe for that. We don't have that yet.
True.
We got it.
Yeah, out here just goes to the. We probably have a staircase down.
Okay, I'm gonna go check out where our nether spawn is. Imagine if we get like a really good nether spawn.
In a fortress.
Oh, yep. It's just like my single player world, we got the worst spawn possible.
We inside a cave or something.
Sort of. Even worse than that.
Oh.
Worst place possible. Goodness.
Nope. Right. Wait, seeds. Chicken number 1, chicken number 2. Come.
It's all just the exact same thing. Let's see past it. Why did it spawn here in this area? Bro, like, this is the worst place to go, and I got this spawn twice. That sucks, bro. You making villagers have sex in front of you?
Ah, bro. Chickens.
Kinda sus, bro.
Chickens, man. Chickens.
Chickens have sex in front of you, bro? Kinda sus.
Alright, guys. So, this has been episode 1 of our hardcore series. Hope you guys have been enjoying so far. Hope stop. Stop. All right, so this has been episode 1 of our hardcore series. So we made it to our little bunk bed area. We got our little setup here. We're gonna in between
Wait,
episodes.
you see my body? I'm like on the ground.
You're in the bed.
Oh, on my screen, I'm like on the ground, like in the grass.
So yeah, in between episodes, we might get a little bit of work done. We're not gonna live stream yet because I have to get this edited and uploaded first. And then once the series gets going on a pretty good start, then we'll start live streaming the in betweens. But yeah, if you guys did want to enjoy this episode and do want to see more of the series, make sure to drop a like, comment down below, and share the video with your friends. That's it for this episode. I'll see you guys in the next one.